Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, as well as Saturday Morning Makes. Saturday Morning Makes is hosted by Jillian Norwood, and her link will be down below. And then hashtag Two Crafters, One Design is hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and UCYM Diva, which is Lisa. And their links will be down below as well. So this week's theme was to use butterfly. So as you can tell, I am using this cute little butterfly here from Cottage Cuts. It's called Butterfly Elizabeth, and she turned out so cute. I love that I used this. I think that was my first time ever using that. So I'm trying to concentrate on a lot of things that I haven't used before. And this here must have sat in my stash for at least a year and a half, almost 2 years. And so I'm finally using this, and this is Journey. That's the word die, and it's from Honey Bee Stamps there. And then also from this, I'm using God Bless Your Journey. That's what I put together. And then from Concord at 9th, I'm using this Stitch Polka Dot die. Love that. Recently picked up that. And then here goes Gina Marie Designs, and I'm using just the outer die there. So here goes my card. It turned out so pretty. I love how it turned out. So there goes that Gina Marie background die. And then there goes the cover plate, and I layered that on two different colors, pink and black, as well as the Journey. I used all the layers from that. Really cute. I did pop up the God Bless Your, but you can't hardly tell, but it is popped up ever so slightly. And then the color on top here, it's like a really soft pink. You can't hardly tell it, but it is a really soft pink, and it has a little bit of iridescent shine to it. And love it. It just turned out so cute. Better than what I had thought. And then there goes the inside of the card. But love how that turned out. So if you have the time, make sure you join in on our challenge using hashtag Two Crafters, One Design. Saturday Morning Makes hashtag is hashtag SatMornMakes. So use both of those links to check out everything else that everyone else has created. And then that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.